Hi, Libra, Sun, and Rising. So before we start, I do want to mention that yes, I am available for private readings. For more information, go to my website, firemoonalchemy.com. And if you are enjoying this content and find the messages helpful, I would appreciate your giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. You know, it doesn't cost you anything, and the feedback sure helps me out a lot. Okay, that being said, let's get to the messages. So Libra, your cards for June are the Oracle card, Don't Wobble, from the Art of Manifestation Oracle deck, and the Tarot card, the Magician. So let's go ahead and read the message that is on your Oracle card, Don't Wobble, number 13. Are you having a wobble? Whether a minor one or a major one, this is completely understandable. You are facing tough choices, but deep inside yourself, you know what you need to do. This card is here to validate your deeper knowing and the decisions that you are making. As you move forward, your anxiety will ease and you will refine your balance. That's a very interesting message for you, Libra. So let's get to your tarot card. That's the Magician. So the Magician is a powerful card symbolizing manifestation, resourcefulness, and the ability to turn your vision into reality. Now, as June unfolds, the sun's movement through Gemini and into Cancer will light up your 9th house of higher learning and expansion before transitioning into your 10th house of career and public life later in the month. So Libra, this month is all about harnessing your inner power and staying grounded. The Magician urges you to take control of your circumstances by using your skills and talents to manifest your goals. So if you have been feeling a strong urge to initiate something new or to travel, the month of June is the time to act. Now, this tarot card suggests that you have all the tools you need to accomplish your goals, but you must prioritize your intentions to make your ideas a reality. Now, the Don't Wobble Oracle card is your reminder to stay balanced as you keep your inner compass set to your true north. It's crucial to maintain your focus and not be swayed by distractions, other people's stuff, or self-doubt. You know, I decided to pull a clarification card for you, Libra, and the 10 of Wands is the card that came out. So this indicates that you might be feeling overwhelmed by responsibilities, other people's energy, or demands. And there certainly is a contrast in the images of the Magician and the 8 of Wands, isn't there? Take a moment to look carefully here at those two cards. Now, often the 10 of Wands can indicate burdens that are placed on you by others, but are not necessarily yours to carry. And perhaps this is the reason you have been distracted lately or feel limited when it comes to trying to expand your horizons. So as we look closely at the Magician's table, notice that it only has one wand on it. Libra, in June, it is essential for you to prioritize, release, and delegate to avoid burnout. Now, the 10 of Wands in your reading indicates that you have maybe taken on too much, and it urges you to streamline your efforts and lighten your load. Now, in numerology, 10s indicate endings and new beginnings. So often when I see the 10 of Wands in a reading, there is a final push or a last straw moment that occurs right before a breakthrough. Now, I feel mid-month, around the time of the full moon in Capricorn on the 21st, you will be inspired to release some of those wands as you hand them back to their rightful owners, or you may just drop them completely. It may feel a bit weird at first because you are so used to giving your all. However, as the saying goes, Libra, you can't pour from an empty cup. The full moon will illuminate your fourth house of home and family. So this area of your life may be where you place your initial focus and you make decisions or decide to implement some beneficial structural changes. Now, with the sun in your ninth house for most of the month, June is an excellent time for expanding your horizons through education, travel, or spiritual pursuits or study. So engage in activities that broaden your perspective and inspire your intellect, to motivate yourself, right? You might even want to do some magic or some candle magic here. The Magician Tarot card in your reading is an energy that is supporting your endeavors, helping you to absorb and apply new knowledge in a way that benefits you both personally and professionally. Now, later in the month, when the sun transitions into your 10th house, your focus will shift towards your career and public image. So use the education, skills, and insights that you gained earlier in the month to make progress in your professional life. Now, Libra, put your best foot forward in June because I have a feeling that there are some eyes on you, and this is in a good way. So if you're doing a presentation for work, or you are scheduled or set to do a public speaking event, or you have a social media platform, maybe you're going to do a product launch, etc., your cards in astrology indicate that your public persona and communications and messages are well received. So don't be surprised if a beneficial career opportunity, promotion, or some other type of accolade is offered to you in the month of June. Now, I'm just going to end this reading here by saying, remember, Libra, staying balanced and grounded is key to navigating the month of June for you. By managing your time and energy wisely and keeping your eye on the prize, you can achieve your goals by maintaining a healthy balance between what it is that you want to achieve and your responsibilities to those that you care about. It may be time to drop some of those wands and focus on you. Okay, that does it for me, Libra. I love you, and I know you are going to do great in the month of June.